Hi guys, how would you like to create leggings that will fit you perfectly? Leggings that will not hang, leggings that will just fit you like a glove. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a perfectly fitting leggings pattern using a completely free online pattern making software. When I say free, I mean completely free. No hidden charges. And I'm not working for them, so it's not as if I'm even selling anything. I discovered it online, and I'm going to show you how to create patterns, PDF patterns of leggings that will fit you perfectly. And so, let's go. For this exercise, we are going to be using Pattern Maker Pro, a completely easy to use online pattern making software for your clothes. If you don't know what Pattern Maker Pro is, I have a video I'm going to link right there where I introduced you to Pattern Maker Pro. So you know how to register. So you quickly go ahead, watch that video, register so that you can follow me as I show you how to create your leggings pattern with this online dress pattern making software called Pattern Maker Pro. This is my account on Pattern Maker Pro. Now, once you get here, there are two ways you can create your leggings pattern. You can make it through the Pattern Maker Pro or through the Fashioner, which I'm going to show you quickly how to do it. So once you get to your account, you can go right here and then click on garment patterns. It takes you here to show you all the patterns that Pattern Maker Pro has. But since we are going to be creating leggings, we have to choose it, filter it, and just click here. And then it shows you all the trousers and leggings it has. So if you scroll down, right down, this is what we are going to be creating, leggings adult. So you just click on that and it takes you here. And then it tells you to choose your measurement set. So which you can just click down here and then choose your set. I have some measurement sets I've already put for myself, this one and this one. So I'm going to use this particular one. So I will choose my measurement set. If you don't know how to impute your measurement sets on Pattern Maker Pro, I have a detailed video that I'm going to be linking for you once again, right there or there, where you can click and also watch to see in details how you can impute your body measurements into Pattern Maker Pro. It is a very easy process, and once you go through that video and you follow it step by step, you'll be able to impute your measurements according to instructions from the Pattern Maker Pro. So once you've added your measurement set, that is my measurement I'm going to use to make these leggings. What I'll do now, you can always come here to check how your leggings is going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. And these are the patterns, how the patterns will look like. So once you've chosen your measurement set, just go to add to basket. Very easy. And then you come to this page that talks about variables. Now, variables are for if you download your pattern and you have one or two things to do to correct the pattern. Maybe after downloading it and you try it on and there's one or two problems, this is where you can come and change it. But most times, from my experience, I didn't have any problem when I downloaded it without changing the variables. But if for any reason you need to change the variables, and maybe that is the leggings does not really fit you, maybe you did not do your measurements very well and all that, you can change your variables right here. And then if you click here, it actually takes you to show you what all these variables are all about. For instance, right here, crush depth is, it tells you what it is all about. You can learn more about that and how to do it. Crush extension is, and things like that. So it's quite easy for you to find out how to do that, because it will tell you the particular problem you might have to be able to do this. So that's the beauty of this. It tells you what to do if you have any kind of problems with your patterns. So once you're okay with that, you just click on output. And once you click on output, it asks you the way you want to download it. So you have two downloads, the front one and of course the back part of your leggings. So what I normally do, I normally download in PDF form. So example, if I click download in PDF form, I go to A4 and then it will now show you how to download. And this is what the PDF download looks like. This is what you're going to be putting together on your sewing table. This is what you're going to be putting together on your sewing table. Now, if you're watching my video for the very first time about Pattern Maker Pro, you may be wondering how can you put together these PDF patterns that you've just downloaded. That is not the problem. I have a completely detailed video of how you can put together PDF patterns that you download from Pattern Maker Pro. I will link the video also right here. You can click and watch it and see how you can put it together. I did that full explanation when I was showing you how you can create a basic body block very simply using Pattern Maker Pro. As I said, I'll link the video right up on my right, where you can actually go there and watch the video in details. Now let me show you the other way you can also get a leggings pattern from Pattern Maker Pro. It is also a simple way, and it's the same. It's not so far away from using the Pattern Maker Pro. We're going to be using now the Fashioner to get our leggings pattern. Now we are back at my account. Remember, we use Pattern Maker Pro to do the initial one I've just shown you. You can use the Fashioner also. Just click here and go to the Fashioner catalog. And once you get to the Fashioner catalog, just go here also and look for leggings right here. You can click there. And then it shows you leggings and you can look for it. So you scroll down and then you look for your leggings. That is leggings, let's see. Leggings for child, leggings front adult here. Leggings for adult, leggings back for adult. So you just click here. It of course takes you back here to choose your measurement set, just like we did the first time. And once you've chosen your measurement set, you can now, once you're done with your measurement set, you just click on Add to Fashioner. And once you do that, you continue just like the way I showed you the first time. I don't want to go through it all over again. So that's the video on how you can create a perfectly fitting leggings that will fit your hips and fit your figure like a glove. I thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're going to try your hands on creating these leggings for yourself. And if you have any kind of problems, please drop your comments down. And of course, I answer all comments from my YouTubers. So just drop your comments down if you have any challenge whatsoever using Pattern Maker Pro. But I've not had any challenge with it, and I don't think you're going to have any challenge with it because it's quite easy to use. Once more, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.